doing? It's your boy Papi Mangu, El Mangu to your investments. And today, we're going to do some technical analysis because I'm seeing some bullish patterns playing out. Because as you can see, Bitcoin and other cryptos like Ethereum are breaking out of a crucial resistance point. Now, I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sure why this is happening. I haven't done my research on it, but this was long overdue because on the daily, as you can see, we were getting that sign of a rejection coming in on the MACD. And mind you, I drew this huge line coming from when it's the RSI. The RSI is also technical analysis. Everything here is technical analysis. And we're finally breaking through that RSI resistance. It's all looking bullish in my eye. Now, hold on, let me get some water. By the way, guys, I turned my camera off because my room is a mess. I don't want y'all to see that. Just have to drink some water. Anyway, Bitcoin, yeah, we're breaking out. We're breaking out big. It's looking bullish on the daily. Check the weekly. It's looking bullish, like I said, because and I tell y'all, the MACD just looks so bullish. As soon as you get to that lightly shaded red, that shows a reversal, as you can see what happened here. Also, what happened here, and so on and so forth. We could, check on every historical pattern. See, I thought we would go here. I thought we would go back down here, bounce off of here, but nah, that's not the case, guys. We are bouncing off on the red channel. Yep, these, as you can see, full swing. We're going upwards, but it is not really confirmed yet. We have to consolidate above this yellow line. We consolidate above this yellow line. Okay, cool. We're making progress, but remember, there's now some resistance right here at this level. Yep, there it is, lined up right here at this level. Let me push it out even further so we get a better, maybe more accurate, but we're not sure look of it. So we have to try to break above 42,000 in the short term. But then again, guys, there is also 45,000, and this trend line up here going as high as almost 50,000. So, man, I don't know. It's all hard to tell. It's all very hard to fucking tell. It's agonizing in a way. But if you look closely at the MACD, we did cross. We did make a cross on the MACD. Vegeta is now above Goku. He's fighting back, as you can see. My anime heads, if you know, blue is Vegeta, and orange is Goku. You know Vegeta. I mean, me personally, I like Vegeta over Goku, and that's why I am very bullish on cryptocurrency. Yeah, Goku may be a god in some type of way, but Vegeta has heart, and Bitcoin has heart too. Guys, it's only a matter of time before things start going even higher. Because that's just what Vegeta does. As soon as he sees Goku surpass him, Vegeta has to try to up the skull. He always ups the skull. If you know Dragon Ball Z, you always know Vegeta going up the skull, regardless. In Dragon Ball Super, I give it to Goku. Goku's my guy. He attained godly powers. Right? We're not talking about anime anymore. All right, let's continue. Ethereum. Hold on. Someone posted this yet. I forgot who it was. Some analyst on Twitter, but he posted that the weekly cross, as you can see right here, the weekly MACD cross, they're intertwined. They're almost It's almost just bullish, bro. It's almost just bullish. It's not even almost just. It is bullish. But we're not there yet. We're not there yet. Vegeta is coming back up though. Look at the RSI. The RSI Vegeta is coming back up. And it's only a matter of time. Now let's look at Ethereum, guys. Because you've seen Ethereum when I showed it to you earlier. You see that big pump. That big pump. And who knows, guys? We've been following this purple uptrend line for the past month, you know, and we just been bouncing off it. We might bounce off it, make some support around 2,700, keep going up, and then around here, what's that? April, mid-April, maybe mid-April we turn. What's it called? 3,000 into support. If we turn 3,000 into support, man, I tell you, that's gonna be some really bullish signals, because that means our uptrend is starting. Our retracement is gonna start soon, and it's just a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. For now, we have to break short-term resistance. Short-term resistance is pretty much here. That 3,000 mark. But just about so. We gotta break past that 3,000. We're almost there, as you can see. Almost there. But if we get to 331, if we get to 31 and start consolidating in here before touching either at least down here or in between between 32 and 31, that's going to confirm our uptrend, and then we're not going to be following the downtrend now. Let's go back to the daily chart so you guys can see. So remember this trajectory? We put this trajectory because this is the long-term trajectory. This line right here, this purple line. This purple line will take us farther than we can imagine. Way farther than we could imagine if we keep going up this trend line. That's a huge signal, because look, it's here as well. It's here as well. You know, we tried to break way above past it. I mean, we have. Look how much this last time. It was right here when we broke past it. Last time we broke past it, it was at 2,900. And then it shot all the way up to $4,400. $4,400. And then from there, we came back down, you know, put a new all-time high at like $49, almost $5,000 for Ethereum. And now we're so close to that line. We were playing above this, above the new, like, the middle for a while. And now that we're broke down from it, we met the bottom right here. And now we just gotta make our, you know, it might go slow. It might go slow, you know, it might go slow, but this is just how I see it. We might be able to delete this trend line because we have not broken down below this purple line. So I'm gonna take this off. Goodbye. Let's clean up the chart. And we'll keep this right here because, you know, we're not sure if this is confirmed yet. I mean, it looks confirmed to me on the daily. Yesterday 2 days ago we tested it. Yesterday we broke out of it, and today it looks like a confirmation. But we got to consolidate in between this area before inevitably going up. Maybe going up a little more, or maybe we go up, consolidate, hit here. This is in May. This looks like it's in May, guys. We got a long way to go, guys. A long way to go, but hey, if we really do if we break out of this area right here, let me circle. If we break out of this area right here, guys, you know what that means for us after that? After this area right here, it's price discovery mode right there. And then our next resistance would pretty much not be here, because we would be well past that. More like right here, our next resistance line at 4,000. Yeah, let's just say 4,000. 4,000 would be our next resistance. 4,100. Yeah, maybe we could say this one 38, but guys, we're talking about long term. In around, not August. That's a pause. Around here, that looks like it's in mid June. In mid June, let me actually, yep, let me go here, do that, make this, tidy it up. So we got it. Our apex is looking here right now. After we break out of this motion right here, price discovery. Price discovery, or we meet our resistance again at our all-time high. That's how I see Ethereum. Yes, it looks messy, but to me, it works. To me, it works. To me, I understand it. And hey, if you like the technical analysis, if it makes sense to you, give me a like. Give me a like below. Subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be posting. I'd be slacking on y'all, but hey, what do we want to do? Life gets busy. Oh, we haven't even gotten through this part of it. Look at the MACD. The MACD is showing bullish. Yeah, the RSI, like I said, broke out. It broke out of its trend line, and now we might see what happens. That's just on the daily. On the weekly looks very, very, very sold off. But as you can see, lightly shade, cross. We're getting to that cross, guys. We're getting to that cross. Let's check monthly. Monthly looks bearish, I guess, unless it bounces off here. But you never know. Nobody looks at the. I don't know who looks at the monthly. Um, well, you could look at the monthly, but you gotta like stretch this out. Wow, let's go monthly, like 5 years. It's crazy. Okay, yeah, it is 5 years. Okay. What the log, yeah. Monthly, 5 years. It is. Oh, it's the weekly. It doesn't show me a fucking. Oh, it just shows me for the weekly. It's okay. You guys understand. The weekly chart is what you gotta look at right now. Because, as you can see, that MACD is looking like it's coming back for a cross. Is it the same with Bitcoin? Yes, it's the same with Bitcoin. Dogecoin's been dying. Solana, we broke down, but we may have found support here, so we could, come back. Look at the MACD, looks good. ADA, everything just looks the same. Let's just look at the total market cap. Total market cap, same picture, same old picture, and we're actually breaking out. Oh, look at that! Look at the 4 out. We broke out, and now we're consolidating above this trend line. So that's always good to see. That's always very good to see. That's bullish, in my opinion. And the tech stocks have been going crazy. They have been going crazy. I'm loving what you see. What's with all this? Anyway, I'm bullish on all these companies. Everything you see here, guys, is just exactly what I like. I like all of these. Look at Algorand. Algorand is very oversold, but I'm still very bullish because Algorand has pretty much just bottomed out. I feel like Algorand bottomed out right there. If there's more downward movement, then that's mainly due, honestly, possibly due to a black swan event. And speaking of which, maybe possible. Let's check someone out. Our best friend here. Hold on, let me move this so I can get my keyboard closer to me. You guys know where I'm going with this. Look at that, Elizabeth Warren. She's talking shit. She has a crypto bill that she wants to push. Where is it? Yep, here it is. War in crap still targeting cryptocurrency and Russian sanctions. And little does this dumb, I don't know if I can keep swearing. Little does she know that there was a clip that I saw, and I can't pull it up. It's on Twitter, but she was trying to talk. There was a coin analyst that she was asking questions to. She didn't even let that guy speak. She did not let that guy speak at all. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle worry that cryptocurrency might be used to sidestep exiting existing sanctions, which is impossible because sanctions. What's that like? Millions of billions of dollars being moved, and the coin analyst was stressing that there's not enough. There's the liquidity based on all that just doesn't match. It doesn't make sense for Russia to use cryptocurrency to avoid sanctions. It's asinine. It's stupid. And these old people, these old school Democratic or Republican, whatever the hell she is, regardless of the side, they're stupid. And I don't know, guys. I live in Massachusetts, so I have to deal with this bitch. I have to deal with her. Like the, and we can't vote her out until 2024. 2 more years we gotta deal with this. But what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Hey, all we gotta do is wait. This is just more fun. This is fun. This bill is gonna be denied because obviously there's a lot of backing. There's a lot of backing when it comes to crypto information. Crypto in the blockchain. The blockchain is publicly for everyone to see. If you just see $1 billion, maybe if you just see $1 billion moved around in some type of way, everyone's gonna see it and flag it. Whale it. You know, and if you're just gonna see a whole bunch of that, it's obvious. People are gonna track the address, find out where. I don't know how it really all works, but if they do track the address, what do you guys think it's gonna lead to? And it's gonna lead to Russia if they are using it for sanctions, and then it'll be easily infiltrated. You know. But hey, I don't know. I'm just some guy. I'm still learning my way, and all I really know is just the technical analysis side of this. The news, I should really just stay away from the news. I tend to stay away from the news, but on YouTube, let me just show you guys. You see, on YouTube, you use recent stock up on Bitcoin. You know, all you really practically see is Bitcoin. Yep, you see crypto. Look, Bitcoin. All I watch. This is how I get my sources. YouTube. I don't just I don't go on CNBC or anything or check anything like that out. I just hear it, and then when I make my videos like this, I'll let you guys know. But this is the only really fun going on. You got some good news. Ukraine legalized crypto. Yes, they did. Ukraine legalizes crypto sector as digital currency donations continue to pour in. When was this? This was today. Yesterday, the 17th. And yeah, they've been getting a lot of donations. They have over 100 million in donations in just crypto. The Ukrainian president signed a law on virtual assets, and in the midst of a war, they're legalizing cryptocurrency. Why? Because their dollars and everything like that are just going to shit. The people in Ukraine are struggling. They are struggling, as well as the people of the Russian people. They're struggling as well. And I don't know. Also, Russia seems to have averted its historic bond default. I heard that. Yeah, that's what I heard. That Russia is going to default soon. I don't know what this means. Bond default for now. the hell's that mean? Key points. Russia's finance ministry said Friday that the London branch of paying agent City had received. Where was it? Russia. I don't know. This is irrelevant. I don't care anymore. I don't gotta bore you guys with that. Anyways, so I'll cut the video short and say there is good news, there is bad news, but overall, just hold cryptocurrency. Buy when everything's low. Buy when everyone's scared, shit in their pants, and you'll be golden. You'll really be golden. Hit me up anytime on Instagram or Twitter or whatever you want, wherever you hit me up on. I'll feel free to really give you guys some great advice. Okay, like just some one-to-one advice. Doesn't matter. Portfolio allocations, how you should manage it, everything like that. It's always good to know, to be honest, and it's free. It's free to know. You're getting free lessons on investment advice. But hey, again, I'm not a financial advisor yet. You hear that? Yet. Maybe one day. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in. We're always grateful to have you guys here if you're listening this far. Check out my description below. I have some links that you could check out if you do want to get involved, get into stonks or kryptons. You get a referral code down. I think it's Robinhood and Coinbase, whatever I have down there. One of them's Robinhood for sure. The other one would be BlockFi. But hey, free money, and you get to start investing. And if you do, comment down below. I'll personally reach out to you. All right, you guys take care.